Hi everyone. Okay, I'm making varnish, and that's 6 ounces of linseed oil, and in the cup I've got 6 ounces powdered pine rosin, mostly powdered. I had large chunks and I ground most of it into a powder, and this cup contains 0.6 ounces of Mastic. So those are the ingredients for the varnish, along with turpentine, which I'll add later. Turpentine will be used to thin it down. So I'm heating up the oil and waiting for it to come up to temperature, and then I'll start adding the rosin to it. Okay, right now that's holding steady at about 380 degrees Fahrenheit. I was aiming for 350, but 380 is okay. I'm going to go ahead and start adding some of the rosin. Adding the rosin drops the temperature. It's down to about 330, so I'm going to let it warm back up a little bit before I add more. I'm going to go ahead and add some more rosin now. I really should be wearing long sleeves. I do have a face shield just in case, and I also have a fire extinguisher handy. That's at 340, about 340 right now. And I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the rosin in. The Mastic burns at a fairly low temperature, so I won't put it in until later in the cook after it's cooled off some. Okay, I'm going to hold it at a temperature of 350 degrees for as long as it takes. I'm not sure how long to cook it because this is the first time I've made this varnish. So I'm just going to let it go for a while, and I guess I could do the string test. That's where you take a small amount and let it cool a little bit and see if will pull a thin thread when you pull it apart. So anyway, I'm going to let it cook for maybe an hour, maybe 2. I'm not sure how long, but I'll come back to you when I think it's ready. Cooking, I incorporated the Mastic. I've reduced the temperature to 100 C, 111. That's good enough. And now the Mastic is completely dissolved. I'm going to pour it into a small can through a mesh filter, and hopefully it will be good varnish. We'll find out.